Good morning. Welcome to my channel. My name is Jenna. I'm out for my walk. It's 7 a.m. here, and as part of my commitments to walking every day and eating healthy, I am keeping my commitment to walking, and I'm out for a walk in 29 degrees Fahrenheit. It's super cold, but I just want to get my walk in and be active today, So I don't know what to talk about, to be honest. I think I've talked a lot on my channel so far about my struggles with weight loss, about how I lost 100 pounds, and now I'm struggling to lose another 100 pounds, and I'm kind of excited for this year because I feel like this would be the year. Fingers crossed. Knock on wood. Yeah, really hopeful. And I just want to be healthy and feel good in my own body, and it takes a lot of commitment and consistency to be able to do that. Sorry if my video is everywhere. I'm walking, so I have to pay attention to traffic and my surroundings. But yeah, this is me doing the work, and hopefully it pays off in the end. My heart feels better, my body feels better, my brain feels better. Walking is good for mental health, so I am definitely hoping that putting in the work and being consistent at it would pay off. So now I am kind of good, or getting good, on my keeping active. So my goal now is to nail in my diet, to get it right and do it right. So yeah, it's gonna be an exciting year, So today, in today's video, I will share with you my grocery run and show you some of the things I eat while I'm trying to lose weight, and not just while I'm trying to lose weight, to be honest. Basically just a complete change of lifestyle, I'm trying to be a more healthy person, a person who eats healthy, who eats, good food, clean food, food that benefits my body, and not food that damages my body. And so for someone like me, struggling with PCOS, you get to gain weight so quickly. That's been my experience. I gain weight so quickly, it's insane. I think it could be a combination of factors, really. PCOS, insulin resistance, and many other hormonal issues, but to me those do not really matter, in the sense that no matter what the reason is for weight loss being more difficult, I still want to put in the work. I still want to do my part, and it's like climbing a mountain, which I've never done, but I would love to do someday, I guess. But yeah, it's like climbing a mountain. It's not easy, you know. Even like walking. When I started my weight loss journey, walking was really difficult. Like, I couldn't walk for like 5-10 minutes because I had been sedentary for all of 2020 and 2021. Like, really sedentary. I worked from home and crossing the street. I have to look. So yeah, I worked from home and I like used Instacart, and so I had food deliveries. I worked from home. I had zero reason to leave my apartment. So for all of a year, almost 2 years. So, and I lived in a very tiny apartment. So yeah. So that's how I got up to 375 pounds. It was a big shock to me, a wake-up call, to be honest. And I woke up. Thank goodness I woke up. And yeah, I started walking back then in October 2021. No, November 2021. I started walking for 5 minutes a day, and then the next day 10 minutes, 15, 20, and just kept, you know, amping it up. And yeah, that was it. And before you know it, in less than a month, or about a month, I was getting in
wait.
Yeah, in less than a month I was getting in about a month I was getting in 10,000 steps a day. And boy, did the weight fall off. I lost my first 60 pounds within from like October to March of 2020. So October 2021 to March 2022, I lost my first 60 pounds just by walking and eating a mostly whole foods diet. But yeah, that was it. That was my strategy. Walking, eating whole foods, and intermittent fasting. You know, I was doing 1 meal a day, OMAD. Yeah, I just ate 1 meal a day. Yeah, sorry about that. I was crossing the street and just needed to focus. It was a very busy street. But yeah, I guess that's what a walking vlog or video looks like. And this is a day in my life, a morning in my life, and I'm doing the work. So yeah, I did OMAD, eating 1 meal a day. So I would break my fast at 6 p.m. Oh yeah, you need to see this. This is very beautiful. There's water, a river, and it's a beautiful day. Alright, I love coming to walk in this park. It's a very beautiful place and dear to my heart. So yeah, eating 1 meal a day was really instrumental to me losing that first 60 pounds. And fasting as a whole was instrumental. So, but this year I'm not incorporating fasting, or I'm trying not to. I'm kind of like so used to fasting that I sometimes unconsciously not eat like 2 or 3, not like I was planning to, but I just don't feel hungry sometimes. I don't force myself to eat if I'm not hungry, you know. So yeah, it's going good. Oh yeah, another thing I stopped, apart from stopping fasting, is weighing myself every day. Oh my goodness. I weighed myself every day last year and I tortured myself to death. Oh my gosh. That was awful. Like really, really awful. Never doing that again. I hope. I don't want to do that. Like I love doing it because I wanted like data. I wanted to know what food was doing to my body and the effect it had, and I just wanted to kind of see the trend of my weight loss. So I wanted that data, but then I became so obsessed with it. It was unhealthy. There's an healthy obsession with it, and every day my weight was up, I would feel so bad, and when it was down, I would dance and be happy. Oh my gosh, I don't want my life to depend on the scale. Nope. No, I don't want my joy to depend on the scale or how much I weigh. I just want to be healthy and enjoy my life, really. You know, I want to feel good. I want to live long and well, basically. That's why I'm doing all of this. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Look how beautiful it is out. Oh, look at the birds, the sky. It's so gorgeous. And the river. It's so beautiful. It's a beautiful day and I feel very, very blessed and lucky to be alive today. Yay!